How to share your screen remotely with OBS Studio. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you how to share your screen from anywhere and stream it on OBS Studio. This feature lets you share your screen via a website, grab the link and send it to the person broadcasting live on OBS. For instance, you can share your screen from home and the broadcaster can use that link in OBS to stream from their studio. All this using VDO.Ninja and OBS Studio. For more on live streaming with OBS Studio, check out our tutorial in the card and description. To dive deeper into live streaming, find our free course link on creating live video streams in the description. It's a free course available on our e-learning platform. To do this, let's open the VDO.Ninja website. We'll leave the link in the description. To share your screen, it's simple. Just select the third Remote Screen Share option. If you want to use your mic, just select it here. For screen sharing, select Screen to Share. You can choose a browser tab, window, or your entire screen. Once selected, it shows the share and gives you a link at the top of the site. Let's copy this link and open OBS. In a scene, click the plus icon for the source. Select Browser, name it, and click OK. Paste the link in the URL field, set your monitor's resolution, and click OK. Your shared screen is now in OBS. After this, just start your live stream. For our live streaming plans, scan the QR code on screen. That's it. If you like this, subscribe and follow us on social media.